Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. Today I am going to start a Laravel tutorial series, and in this series we will create employee record management system. Okay, so in this series, in this project, we are going to implement these features. We will create department CRUD, we will create employee CRUD, we will implement the image uploading functionality with resize, and we will implement the DataTable Jquery plugin for listing the records. We will use chart.js library for creating the bar chart, okay, and show in the dashboard. So these are the overview of the features that we are going to implement in this project. We are going to use the latest version of we are going to use the latest version of this all the softwares. We are going to use the Laravel 8, which is the which is the current version, and we are going to use Bootstrap 5, jQuery 3, DataTable 1.10, Sublime Text 4. Okay, so you can read the documentation from the Laravel.com. They have beautifully explained each and everything, and you can read about the Bootstrap. This is a CSS responsive framework. Okay, you can read the documentation from the getbootstrap.com. Data table is used for listing the records. They are providing the searching and ordering feature, searching and sorting feature with pagination. This is very useful tool. Okay, we are going to use jQuery because data table depends on the jQuery, and jQuery is very uh, famous and very useful JavaScript library to using the JavaScript with less code. And we are going to use Sublime Text 4. Okay, this is a text editor. We are going to use this for our project. So this is the overview of the project that we are going to create, and uh, that we are going to create and using with these technologies. Okay, so so I hope you will enjoy this series, and you will like this project. So stay tuned with this series, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.